Hi, my name is Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is IRS, the new IRS portal for electronic filing and how it's different from the fire system. Now, we both know, or we all know, that the IRS requires electronic filing if you are filing 1099s, 250 or more of 1099s. I know there's legislation to reduce that, but as of right now, it's 250. And so let's take a look at these electronic filing options. So IRIS, or the Information Return Intake System, is the IRS's Internet Portal. It will be available by January 1 of 2023. And per the IRS, it allows taxpayers to electronically file all Forms 1099. It also allows them to and distribute Forms 1099. And it can create and maintain tax records. So if you have a payee in one tax year and you pay them in a future tax year, that tax record is stored. Now, how is this different from the filing information returns electronically system or FIRE system? How is it different? So with the FIRE system, you upload batch files. And with the IRIS system, I haven't been able to find a lot of information, but what is on the IRS's website, it appears that it's entered one by one, but I could be wrong on that one. The next thing is that with the fire system, you need software to produce a file in that proper format. And how many of us waited, and we'll do it again this year, until publication 1220 comes out so you know what that format needs to be for that file in order for it to be accepted in the fire system. But with Iris, it appears that the Internet portal is the software. So there is no separate external software in order to put your information in the right format in order to file it electronically. It appears that the Iris Internet portal is the software. Now, the IRS indicates both can be used for large volumes of 1099, so I'm waiting to see what the if the IRS system will have a batch system or if it is indeed one by one. Now, what I think is that the IRS may be best for small filers that don't have software or maybe paying for software that they can maybe eliminate in order to prepare, file, and distribute 1099s. So wait and see on that one. And I do have a link to the IRS's page where they talk about filing electronically. It's the general instructions for information return. So once you get to that page, just scroll down to electronic filing. And again, I'll put the link to that in the description. Now, episode 203 of my podcast, Putting the AP in Happy, talks about two changes on the 1099 NEC and MISC that I think you're going to like at least one of them. So check out my podcast. It's also here on YouTube, and I will have that pop up after this video. All right, so if you would like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, regulatory fines, and just overall bad vendor data. So good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.